In the 1970s, the Fiat 131 Abarth became the weapon of choice for the Italian manufacturer in rallying. What started as an ordinary family car was transformed into a box-arched, high-revving machine that would go on to deliver serious results. Under the guidance of Abarth, Fiat's racing arm, the 131 Mirafiori became a three-time World Rally Championship winning car, with titles in 1977, 78 and 1980. Legendary drivers like Marco Allen and Walter Röhrl took the 131 to some famous victories. Fans loved the 131 Abarth for its tough, uncompromising looks and the way it punched above its weight against more exotic competition. To this day, the 131's boxy silhouette and classic liveries make it one of the most nostalgic rally cars of its era. And the story doesn't end there. Today, the 131 still thrills crowds in the hands of showmen like Paolo Diana, who has become a cult hero for his spectacular sideways driving on events such as Rally Legend in San Marino. While in the UK, specialists RSD continue to build and preserve these cars, keeping the legend of the 131 Abarth alive for new generations of rally fans.